Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a 2-minute updo using just 2 braids. To start, we're going to split the hair in half straight across. Then with that top section I'm going to sweep it over to the right hand side, divide it into 3 equal sections and just do a regular 3-strand braid. Do this all the way to the end of the hair. Next, we're just going to secure it using a clear elastic band, but on the last turn only pull the ends part way through to create a loop, as this will make pinning easier. With the remaining hair, sweep this to the left hand side, and again we're just going to do a regular 3-strand braid. Then secure it with an elastic band, creating a small loop at the end. Now we're going to take hold of the right hand braid, bring it over to the left hand side to just behind the ear, and if your hair's too long just fold the ends underneath. Then tuck the end of the braid under the hair on top and secure with a pin or two. Then take that left hand braid, bring it over to the right hand side just behind the ear, tuck your ends under, and then just lift up that hair from the top section, pop it underneath and secure with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.